Hi, my name is Harlan. I'm Director of Operations at a construction company, and I give Excel 5 stars. And for more reviews, click below. So what we did before we onboarded Excel was we were using LibreOffice and their Excel knockoff, and yeah, it was okay, but certainly not as good as Microsoft Excel. The reason we chose Microsoft Excel is certainly the name behind it, Microsoft, and also their experience. And there's a plethora of online tutorials to help you learn the great software that is Microsoft Excel. So onboarding is fairly simple. Couple ways to do it. Download it off the internet through Microsoft. Another way is through purchasing CDs, and getting everybody on board was super simple. Purchasing the licenses extremely easy. Really nothing to it except click and install, and you're ready to go. So if you're looking to analyze your business data in spreadsheets and so forth, Microsoft Excel is certainly the way to go. It will help you find things that you didn't know even existed. It's been a super help for us.